Hello everybody, welcome back. That sound effect is just amazing. Now I'm starting to like it more and more. Now the video for today is really interesting because this is something that all of you want to have, but most of us, including me, cannot because generally of the price. um, that's not a good start. But yeah, everything said and done, you can criticize Apple for everything, but there are few things that they do awesomely well. They wait for everybody to work on the feature, bring it into the market, introduce it. I don't know, specialize in it, but then they wait for it, and then they take their own sweet time, and then when they come out with it, it's like the best thing that is out there. So iPhone 12. Everybody is excited. I don't know anybody who is not excited, except for the people who just hate that the notch design for some reason. I don't know why. Why do they hate it? But it doesn't make sense because that's what seems very attractive to Apple. I mean, what can I tell you? So let me quickly give you a brief, and if you're not happy with the rant, maybe you can leave the video. But do like it before you go. Okay, so Apple is likely to unveil the iPhone 12 MacBook models, Apple Watch in an online event in September. Uh, on September 8th, you will have iPhone 12, Apple Watch, and other products. And on October 27th, you will have iPad and new MacBook models. Now, the video is done for you. Alright, let me give you the details about the specific products on each of these 2 days. So first of all, let's talk about September 8th. Now there you would have the iPhone 12, you will have Apple Watch, AirPower, which we have been hearing about for 3 years or 4 years, the wireless charging pad, and the Apple iPad. Now on 27th you will have iPad Pro, the Silicon Max, the Apple Silicon Max. So no more Intel, Apple's chip would be there, and Apple Glass on October 27th. I think Apple Glass may be there, may not be there. When they say Apple Glass, does it mean the glass in which we drink? No, no, no. Let me not complete that joke. It doesn't sound good. However, he didn't confirm whether the October 27 event will be an online event or an in-person. So this is something that I can see into the future. So this will be an online event. This won't be an in-person event. But I hope that I'm proven wrong. I hope that it is an in-person event. Okay, the tipster hasn't revealed about the upcoming iPad models. Look, it's all done. Apple is also tipped to launch much awaited Apple Silicon MacBooks. Yes, we are. Apple had announced during the WWDC 2020 that it plans to move its Macs to an in-house series of chipsets called the Apple Silicon. This is unreal. They're going to control everything. Even the chips are Apple chips. Wafers. From the beginning, Mac has always embraced big changes to stay at the forefront of personal computing. Today, we are announcing our transition to Apple Silicon. This is an official statement, making this a historic day for the Mac. With its powerful features and industry-leading performance, Apple Silicon will make the Mac stronger and more capable than ever. I have never been more excited about the future of the Mac, Apple CEO Tim Cook said during the developers conference. This is a great news. Like they can even, I mean, yeah, of course, people say a lot of thing like, I mean, not thing. I mean, people have this complaint that if you buy one product, you need to buy multiple products, get into the ecosystem, and only then will you like fully utilize the system. And maybe it's true, but those products, like, who doesn't like Apple? I mean, the design itself, and then you get updates for like 4 years, 5 years. Of course there are issues, but I mean, it's a very contentious topic. The tipster also revealed that Apple will finally release its wireless charging pad, the Apple AirPower, during the event. The company was rumored to launch the charging pad last year itself, but it was cancelled. Along with that, Apple is also rumored to unveil the reality glasses called Apple Glass. So Apple Glass, I mean, even though my joke was bad, but Apple Glass is actually the reality glass. The rumors that Apple launching the AR glasses started way back in October 2019. It was reported that Apple will likely collaborate with third-party brands to launch the first generation of its AR glasses. So you can be sure that 2020, right? So 2027, Apple is not collaborating with any third-party brands, and it has all the components that it wants in its AR glasses, or 2030 maybe. However, these are all speculations. Apple is yet to drop a final word about the launches. Some more pieces of information probably help you. October 27th, the day when iPad Pro is supposed to be launched. There you will have the 5G iPad Pro, probably. Then you would have the MacBook Pro 13-inch and the new MacBook with the silicon chips. When it comes to the Apple Glass, there you would have it on 27th October, of course, but the price is going to be $500, $499 for people who want to save that $1, or roughly 38,000 rupees. Now, these are all great news. Like, Apple is supposed to be really strict about its product launches date, and that's a great thing actually. People know that come June, it is WWDC. Come March, this is SE. Come October, these are the Macs and iPads. Come September, these are the iPhones. That's such a great way to have. And for all the, I think all the major companies, the anticipation, the excitement is already there. You know everything is going to launch on these specific dates. And you can be sure that if Apple is doing something, it will take its own sweet time. But when it implements it, it's going to be the best in the class. I don't know how it does it. People are constantly criticizing it for some reason. And that criticism, it's not that Apple is asking anybody to buy the products. So I don't know how much that criticism is valid. They just say that this is my product and this is what it is. If you want to buy it, well and good. If you don't, you don't. But then people still buy it. So I don't know what the reason is. It's like that that person that you are dating who doesn't give you the time of the day, and you are even more attracted to that person. Alright, if you like the video, just let me know in the comments, and give it a share, give it a like, do all these YouTube things, and that's it. I'll see you soon in another video, tomorrow probably. And if you have any topics that you want me to cover, let me know in the comments. Thank you. Take care. Bye.